Hi everyone! By this vlog, gagawa tayo ng milkshake. And the milkshake is want chocolate milkshake. Want, kasi want yung name ng biscuit na gagamitin natin to make a milkshake. So let's find out if the taste was good or not. Sasamahan niya ako.
Basta namin ang tukar, Marin Mix Club ina. Lester on the mix.
May pato ako. May pato akong
Ayo'y sumayaw, katawan ay igalaw. Ayo'y sumayaw, katawan ay igalaw.
may pato akong motuka-tuka, mukapay-kapay, muki-ay-ki-ay. May pato akong motuka-tuka, muki-ay-ki-ay, mukapay-kapay. Wak-wak, motuka-tuka, wak-wak, muki-ay-ki-ay, mutuka-mukapay, ay-ki-ay. Pato akong motuka-tuka, mukapay-kapay, muki-ay-ki-ay. May pato akong motuka-tuka, muki-ay-ki-ay, mukapay-kapay. Wak-wak, motuka-tuka, wak-wak, muki-ay-ki-ay, mutuka-mukapay,
Lester on the mix.
May pato akong
Basta namin ang tukar, Marin Mix Club ina.
may pato akong may pato akong
Ayo'y sumayaw, katawan ay igalaw. Ayo'y sumayaw, katawan ay igalaw.
Basta DJ
may pato akong motuka-tuka.
Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Actually, you can use whatever chocolate or biscuit you want, okay? At pwede din kayong gumamit ng chocolate syrup if wala kayong caramel or any syrup na pwedeng babagay sa inyong milkshake. Before, I tried Oreo with chocolate syrup. Talagang swak din sa panlasa. So, you must try it, okay? Anyway, yung ginamit ko na toppings na chocolate is Kinder. You can choose also by your own kung anong gusto nyong chocolate na ita-toppings on your milkshake. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it and enjoy. Cheers!
Basta namin ang
Don't
tukar.
forget to like and subscribe, okay? If you're new on my channel. And don't forget to hit the ring bell button so that you could be notified for my new upload videos. Thank you!